Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here once again, and we're doing our second experiment on the Cuisinart soft serve machine. All right, so our base is chilled and almost to the point of freezing. We'll turn the machine on and pour our base in. But you can kind of see we've actually got our base so cold that it's starting to crystallize, so it looks a little chunky. That really helps this thing process much faster. The only thing left to add is our pumpkin spice flavor and our annatto color to give us a little bit of a pumpkin color. All right, so we're going to wait a few minutes for this to solidify, and then we're going to taste it. All right, so we've run the machine, and well, I'm going to show you if it'll start. See how the lid kind of bounces up and down? But this is what we got. It says soft serve. It's more like turning into hard pack right now. If I scoop this out, better turn it off before I break it, and put it in a small container and put it in the freezer and wait a couple hours, it would be hard pack ice cream. But this is probably closer to like 18 or even 20% butterfat. It's awesome. More fat, better. But I can't put it in a soft serve cup because I can't get it out. So I'm just going to reach in here and try it. Yeah. That's the bomb pumpkin spice. Our pumpkin spice flavor, didn't put any pumpkin solids in it. You can. A little bit of annatto to make it look like, pumpkin. You can see that color. A lot of air whipped into it, so the color's not as vivid, but you don't need it to be. It looks like pumpkin. Oh, that was so good. Anyway, next one will be coffee, and so stay tuned. Bye for now. This is the Flavor Guy. Enjoy your flavors.